video is a short review on my work establishing Earth's matter effect in high-precision long-baseline experiments. This work has been done in collaboration with Professor Sanjib, Kumar, Agarwalla. This precision era in neutrino physics awaits the inception of one of the most powerful upcoming long-baseline experiments, DUNE. It goes without saying that a detailed understanding of Earth matter effect is essential in probing the yet unknowns and the precision measurements of the known oscillation parameters. We explored the ability of DUNE in establishing the Earth matter effect and the precision with which it can establish the line average constant Earth matter density. In this work, for the first time, we explored the complementarity between the DUNE and the other upcoming long baseline experiment, Tokaido Hyperkamiokande, that is T2HK or JD, and T2HK with the second detector in Korea, T2HKK or KD. This figure here depicts the potential of DUNE in establishing Earth matter effect as a function of true values of delta Cp for three major choices of octant in NH and IH. This shows that DUNE alone can establish Earth matter effect with at most 2 sigma confidence level, whatever be the choices of oscillation parameters. Now on adding three probable combinations of T2HK, that is with a single detector of JD, two detectors of JD, and JD plus KD, we observe that the combined setup of DUNE and JD of KD establishes Earth matter effect with at least 5 sigma confidence level. Shows the precision of DUNE alone in measuring the rho average for 4 major choices of true values of delta Cp. The relative 1 sigma precision in measuring rho average goes about 13 to 15% with DUNE alone. However, this increases to about 23% as shown with this dashed line red in color on adding the combination of JD plus KD for true value of delta Cp as minus pi by 2. These degeneracies in rho average delta Cp plane and rho average theta 2 plane have been responsible in degrading the ability of DUNE detector in establishing the Earth matter effect, which on adding either JD plus KD or the true detector of JD in either rho average or delta Cp plane or rho average theta 2 planes get constrained a lot. Hence, with a relatively shorter baseline and high statistics at first oscillation maxima, T2HK helps in establishing intrinsic delta Cp, while in T2HK with a long baseline and working at second oscillation maxima complements DUNE, thus reducing the degeneracies in rho average delta Cp plane. Thus, establishing Earth matter effect is essential before either of these long baseline experiments delve any deeper into searching for any other unknowns in neutrino physics. Thank you.